Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a vertical stripes crochet pattern. I love how elegant this pattern looks, but it is really easy. So to get started, you will chain multiples of 13. You will also need to know how to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a treble crochet. If you need help with any of those stitches, you can check down in the description below for my links on how to do those types of stitches. Alright, so we have our 13 chains. We are going to want to chain 3. And in the fourth chain from the hook, we will do our first double crochet. Followed by 3 more double crochets across the chain. Then we will chain 2, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, and 4 double crochets to the end of the row. So this is what row 1 should look like. And if you look at the sample above, you'll see when you do a repeat, say you want to make it larger, that it starts right at the 4. So you'll finish off with 4 double crochets, and then you would continue on starting all over again with 4 more, skip 2, chain 1. So now we want to chain 2 and work 4 half double crochets across. Then we will chain 2 and do 1 treble crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 2 and do 4 half double crochet. We'll skip 2 and then we'll work 4 half double crochets to the end of the row. So row 1 is our foundation. The repeat will be row 2 and 3. But you can see how by adding that row, it evens it out. So now we will chain 3 and we will work 4 double crochets all the way across. So we're pretty much repeating what we did on row 1. We will chain 2, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, work 4 double crochets, and that's our repeat. So you will repeat actually rows 1 and 2, my apologies. It's however you wish to look at it. You would repeat rows 1 and 2, or you could repeat rows 2 and 3. But the main point in the pattern is 4 double crochets, chain 2, skip 2, a single crochet, skip 2. You always got to remember to do your chains and your skips. So you see how this is really coming together and it looks very pretty. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope you have a happy crochet day.